How do I restore a smart cart's force sensor measurement to its original factory calibration in SPARKvue? If it appears that a previous user of your smart cart has miscalibrated its force sensor, and you don't have the materials or inclination to recalibrate it yourself, you can quickly restore it to its original factory calibration state. In a SPARKvue file with your smart cart connected, open the Hardware Setup panel and locate the calibration crosshairs for the force measurement. Alternatively, choose the force measurement in the live data bar and select Calibrate Measurement from the pop-up menu. Open the Restore Factory Calibration section. Ensure that your smart cart and its force measurement are selected and choose Restore. Your force sensor is now back to its original factory calibration.